Hello students, hope so you all are fine. Today we will going to start a new chapter of English, chapter number 5, Journey of Drip Drop. Here you can see the picture of Drip Drop. In this chapter you are going to see the journey of Drip Drop. Journey means traveling from one place to another. Drip drop, the raindrop, was floating on the ocean. Drip drop was a raindrop and he was floating on the ocean. It was his favorite thing to do and have fun. Floating on the ocean was his favorite thing to do and have fun. As the sun rose, he looked up and smiled. When the sun rose, Drip Drop looked up and smiled. The day grew warm. Soon it was very hot. The day grew warm and it became very hot. The day was very hot. Drip Drop stretched his arm. ड्रिप ड्रॉप ने क्या किया? अपने दोनों आर्म्स को ऊपर की ओर खींचा, मीन्स अंगड़ाई ली. तो ड्रिप ड्रॉप बिकम लेजी. He felt very hot. Drip Drop feel very hot. Suddenly, he noticed a cloud moving across the sky. What Drip Drop noticed? Drip Drop noticed a cloud moving across the sky. Drip Drop said to himself, "That cloud sure look nice, and it is so hot down here." Drip Drop said to himself means Drip Drop ने अपने आप से कहा. That cloud looks so nice and it is very hot down here. There was a dark grey cloud in the sky. It looked cool. Drip Drop saw a dark grey cloud in the sky and it looked cool. Drip Drop felt lighter and warmer. He was rising up in the air. Lighter means not so heavy. Rising means to fly. When the Drip Drop was flying in the sky, he felt very relaxed. Soon, Drip Drop was in a cloud. Where was Drip Drop? Drip Drop was in a cloud. Cloud means badal. He met many drops there. One of them was Captain Salty. Drip Drop met with many drops and one of them was Captain Salty. Hello, I am Captain Salty. Have you come for a ride too? Captain Salty said to Drip Drop. Hello, I am Captain Salty. Have you come for a ride too? Hi, I have come cool off. It was hot in the ocean where I am. Drip Drop said to Captain Salty. It is so hot in the ocean. I have come to cool off. Captain Salty said, You are with other tiny drops of water. The fluffy things are clouds. Fluffy means soft. The soft things are clouds. Clouds means badal. Lots of drops like you and me join together to form a clouds. Means many drops like Captain Salty and Drip Drop join together to form a cloud. Where is the cloud going? It is going very fast. It looks like there's going to be a storm. Drip Drop said, Where is the cloud going? It is going very fast. The clouds are going very fast. It looks like there's going to be a storm. Storm means heavy rain. It's look like there's going to be a heavy rain. Captain Salty said, It looks like there's going to be a storm. Means it's look like there's going to be a heavy rain. Get ready for some excitement. Suddenly, there was thunder. Thunder means making lots of noise. The cloud began to bounce. Means the cloud started bouncing, moving here and there. The tiny raindrops joined each other to form large drop. many tiny raindrops joined each other to form large drop. The large drops became very heavy. The large drop become very heavy. Drip Drop and Captain Salty got ready to fall on earth as rain. Drip Drop and Captain Salty both are ready to fall on earth as rain. A lot of other raindrops joined them and they begin to fall down together. Many other raindrops joined them and they all are ready to fall down together. Drip Drop and Captain Salty looked down as they fell. Drip Drop and Captain Salty both looked down as they fell. They saw a little stream flowing through some field. Drip Drop and Captain Salty saw a little stream. Stream means a small river flowing through some fields. What they saw? They saw a little stream flowing through some fields. They slid down a rock and fell on a leaf floating down the stream. First, they slid down on a rock and then fell on a leaf, and at last they floating down the stream. After some time, the stream joined a river, and the river later joined the ocean. Means after some time, the stream joined a river, and later the river joined the ocean. So, Drip Drop and Captain Salty flowed back into the ocean. Drip Drop and Captain Salty both were flowed back into the ocean. Every second, every day, millions of drops of water go on this journey. Every second, every day, millions of drops means many drops of water go on this journey. When the sun shines brightly, they get very hot. And again, when the sun shines brightly, all the drops feel very hot. They rise up in the air. In the sky, they joined other drops to form cloud, and again they rise up in the air. In the sky, they join other drops to form clouds. Means so many drops join together and form clouds. The clouds fall on earth as rain, and again the clouds fall on earth as rain. So students, this is the journey of Drip Drop. Thank you.